Hello everybody. This is how to get the arrow marker. First you need to go to Scented Reverie. I'll be teaching you how to do that in the next video. Then go to this red door. Now follow this path. You can do that if you want to. You don't need to. Oh, don't worry. That will happen. Now jump on here. Now go to this goldfish. It's arrow marker time. You need him to make a tower of blocks. He will try to hit you with the block, so you need to climb this. Oh, yeah, that can happen, I guess. Oh my, I just spawned back in! Guy has no seal at all. Where is he? Alright, oh god. He's crossing the blocks I'm standing on. So anyways, oh my god. You need him to make a tower of blocks so you can knock him down. Right on top of me, bro. Okay. Uh, he'll drop it over here. What's he doing? Lol. Ah! Oh my god! Bruh. It, this guy. He just wanted to go to his goldfish. Alright, I got him. Yes, you got him now. Yippee.